Nothing screams celebration more than champagne. And to my British friends, champers. I don't even know why I'm doing that accent when I have a nasty Spanish accent. So welcome back to Salty Tales. Last video we made the most amazing prime rib roast I ever tried. And in this video, we're gonna capture the spirit of Christmas. But before that, let me ask you something. Did it ever happen to you that in the holidays you go to your in-laws' house just to get one of those pink head hams? Or you go to grandma's and she made one of those pineapples upside down cake look-alike ham? Nothing wrong with it, but today we are going to get our ham to a gourmet level without breaking the bank. And for the start of the show, here is our ham. This is your typical spiral ham that has already been cooked and ready to eat after you heat it up a bit. But in this case, if you thought that would be all we would do, you are wrong. Here we have my grill at 250 degrees with some nice cherry wood in it that goes really well with pork. The ham has to be heated up to 135 degrees internally. And to make sure we hit the mark, I will be using my wireless thermometer. I will place my entire ham on my wire tray and set it up in the grill. This entire cook will take about 2 hours, and we're gonna let the ham to heat up to 110 degrees before we put the glaze on it. And talking about glaze, let me introduce you to the most fancy and delectable ingredients. First, grainy Dijon mustard, herbs of Provence, or herbs of Provence. How do you say that?
Provence.
All right, slow.
Provence.
Provence. Raw honey, the nectar of the bees, with a touch of floral, fruity, and woody flavors. Lime to bring brightness to the glaze. Regular brown sugar, not to be confused with raw brown sugar, which we're gonna use for the finishing touch. Cara Cara oranges, unique and very sweet, with just a bit of spice, leaving a remnant flavor of dingleberry.
What?
Strawberries, raspberries, and even cranberry. But never squeeze it. We are just using the pulp. And champagne, the wine of happiness and celebration par excellence. The entire recipe with quantities and everything else is down there in the description, so check it out. All of this will be mixed in a pot at medium heat until the glaze get a consistency of a heavy whipping cream, but not too viscous. A good rule of thumb for glaze consistency is that it is at the latest stages of being pourable with a spoon. And don't worry too much about the alcohol in the champagne. That will evaporate after a few minutes of cooking. Well, the ham is at 110 degrees internal temperature, and it's time for us to take it out and put that beautiful glaze on it. We're gonna be glazing this ham every 15 minutes. But first, let's take a look at it. Man, this is looking beautiful. I don't know if you can see it well from there, but it changed a lot. It got those beautiful golden brown colors with a little bit of bark here and there. It's sweating, it's looking beautiful. Now it is time to put that glaze we just created on it. We're gonna be glazing this ham every 15 minutes for the remaining cooking time. Remember, we want to get this ham all the way to 135 degrees internally, so we should have about 30 minutes to go. Now that we have it all glazed and beautiful, we're gonna set it back on the grill. This is gonna be so good and so delicious and so magnifique. Oh my goodness. Oh oui, mademoiselle. And it's been 15 minutes and we're gonna check this beauty. Ah, I know I can put the whole glaze right on the grill, but I wanna bring it here for you guys to see it, man. Again, we're going to the grill. I think we're gonna have another good glazing, and that's gonna be all. And that's it. We got to 135 degrees internal temperature. And look at that beauty. We wanna just take it out and put it right on top of the table. And here we have the final product. It's really hot. Now you have to let it rest a little bit, just a little bit, because we're gonna do the next step, the final step, the gourmet step. Now it is time for the final touch. While the ham is resting, we will create the final mix. For that, we will use Italian orange marmalade, cardamom, better known as the queen of the spices, and our tasty champagne. This is just like the best mimosa you will ever see. Heat it up at medium heat until the marmalade gets loose and apply straight over the ham. And all of this will create a master orchestra performance like never seen before. Well, guys, what do you think about this beauty, man?
Monsieur.
Oh my,
Ninja.
oh
Oh my God. This is just gorgeous.
Man, this
Beautiful.
is delicious.
The aroma
Ah,
of the herbs of the Provence.
it's all
Amazing.
orangey, champagne-y. It's a different thing, guys. Let me get a pair of gloves.
Oh, don't cut it. Don't cut it. It's too pretty.
I didn't
Look
cut
at
it
this.
till
This is
now
beautiful.
because it looks so nice.
Oh
but
my gosh.
it's time to see if all that work and all that beautiful stuff and everything pay off. We have to see if it pay off.
Oh my God, it's too pretty.
All right, Miss Ninja. Let's see if this is the best ham you ever had or not. Here we have it, guys. Let's go for
Do it.
Smoky flavor, real good smoky flavor, and then all the sweet flavors from the citrus and the things we put in there.
Yes, it
This one is delicious. Miss Ninja.
Yes, it is.
It is, man. I mean, that's how you say it, right? My French friends, let me know that I'm there. I know I messed it all up, man. Just let me know that I'm there. I tried, okay? I tried.
You know what I love about it?
Yeah.
It shines in every single way.
Man, this
the
thing is so
ham
good.
itself with all the herbs, the spices,
And the
oh
smoke
my
flavor.
God, the smoke flavor.
The smoke flavor got into it. Really nice.
Love it.
Well, guys, let me ask you something before I leave you.
What?
Did I make you hungry?
Did we?
If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots and lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yes,
share
do
this
so.
beauty, man, with everybody. Share with everybody because the whole world is supposed to be this thing, man. It's supposed to see this. It's beautiful.
It's
It tastes amazing. And let me know in the comments if you ever done something like this, or if you were able to do it, would you look for it to do it? Do you really like ham? I'm not a ham fan. Let me tell you, I'm not a ham fan, but this one, I would eat it.
Amazing.
That's for sure.
I love
That's
it.
all for today, but remember that I love ya.
Love you too. Merry Christmas. See ya. See ya. Ching ching.
Ching ching.